Greetings from Great Used Auto Sales in sunny South Florida. Up for sale today, this 2020 Chevy Blazer LT V6. Let's go ahead and give it a quick walk around, and then we'll take it panel by panel and show you the condition of the vehicle. It's in really nice shape. Beautiful condition. Tires are in good shape, drives great. Really nice condition. Beautiful shape throughout. Okay, let's take a look at the front bumper. Front bumper's in beautiful condition, very nice. Super clean throughout. Take a look at the fog lamp. Headlight, also in beautiful condition. Has a little blemish here on the paint. Besides that, looks good. Grill's in beautiful condition. Very nice. Look at the other headlamp. Other light, beautiful shape. Taking a look at the hood. Hood's in beautiful shape, very nice. Clean throughout, very nice condition. Windshield does have a scratch right there. Couple little marks here. Little pebbles and that stuff from the road. Besides that, it looks good. Very nice condition overall. Take a look at the other side. Also on this side, another little chip right there. A little mark right there. Besides that, looks good. Let's start out with this fender. Fender's in beautiful condition. Looks good. Very nice shape. Passenger door looks good. Clean throughout. Very nice condition. Take a look at the mirror. Beautiful shape throughout. Moldings on the door look good. Very nice. Really nice condition. Rear door on the passenger side, also in beautiful shape. Look at the moldings. Beautiful condition. Doors in really great shape. Got a small little scratch right there. Nothing major. Quarter panel. Passenger side looks good. Rear bumper's in good condition. Looks very nice. It's got a little mark here on the plastic. Nothing major. Little scuff mark here on the paint. Two little imperfections here on top. A couple little scratches down there. Nothing major. Quarter panel looks good. Very nice. Clean throughout. Rear door, driver's side, amazing condition. Looks super nice. Nothing to show there. Take a look at the moldings. Door looks good. Very nice. All right, we're taking a look at the front. Driver door looks good. Has a couple little marks here around the handle. Nothing major. Small little mark right here on the paint. Very nice overall. Has a small little dent right there. The mirror's in great condition. Looks super nice. Really clean. Very nice condition. Okay, we're taking a look at the front fender. Driver's side looks good. Very nice. Take a quick look at the roof. Roof's in nice shape. Clean throughout, very nice condition. Super clean. Really great shape. Okay, that's going to conclude our walk around. Stay tuned. We're going to go ahead and take a look at the interior, and then we'll take it for a test drive. Okay, we're taking a look at the driver door panel. Door panel's in beautiful condition, really outstanding shape, very nice. Look at the armrest on that one. Take a look at the controls. Very nice. This one has a power hatch in the back. Really nice feature. Really an amazing condition. Take a look at the driver's seat. Beautiful shape. Very nice condition. Look at the controls for the seat. Dashboard, steering wheel, everything looks amazing. Very nice condition. Okay, we're taking a look at the passenger side door panel in the front. Really nice shape. Look at the armrest. Beautiful condition. Very nice shape. Passenger seat in the front looks good. Beautiful condition throughout. Very nice. Seat's in great shape. Full set of floor mats, dashboard, steering wheel, everything looks amazing. Very nice condition. Okay, we're taking a look at the rear door panel on the driver's side. Door panel's in beautiful condition. Look at that. Armrest is in great shape. It's got a little bit of storage down there. Very nice. Take a look at the rear seats. Also in beautiful condition. Look at that. Very nice shape. Full set of floor mats. Got USB plugs here in the center. AC vents back there. Really nice. Take a look above. Liner's in beautiful shape. Very nice condition. Okay, we're taking a look at the passenger side rear door panel. Beautiful condition throughout. Very nice. Take a look at the rear seat. Also in beautiful condition. Really great shape. Very nice. Outstanding condition. Beautiful. Okay, we're sitting inside this 2020 Chevy Blazer LT V6. Gonna go ahead and start it up. Take a look at the key fob. Look at that. Very nice. All right, we're just gonna set it down here in the cup holder. And then we're gonna press the start button there. Press the brake. There we go. Starts right up. All the GMs, they chest out the gauges. Make sure they're working. They go all the way up and back down. Fantastic. Mileage on this one. 44,378 miles. This one's nice. It shows you the fuel gauge, temperature gauge, RPMs. Very nice. This one also has that start and stop on the engine. So that way it lets you know when the engine's turning on and off to save fuel. Okay, let's take a look at some of the features on this. Power mirrors, power windows, power locks, automatic lights, brake release right there, cruise control on the steering wheel, Bluetooth, control for the information center there on top. Let's take a look at that. Shows you a trip computer, really nice. Miles till empty, tire pressure sensors, super nice. Look at that. We'll leave it on miles per hour for now. And it has a Bluetooth here. Front and rear wipers. Controls for the highlights, like that, from the turning signals. Fantastic. All right, let's take a look at the screen here. It's got a really nice display. You could use these buttons down here. You could do the touch screen. We're gonna go ahead and do the touch screen. There's the audio page, Bluetooth page, Wi-Fi settings, settings for the system, for the apps, and for the vehicle. Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, OnStar, really nice. This is the volume control here, and that's the power button. Okay, this is the button for the on and off of the motor. You can bypass it. Right now it's bypassed, so the little light's on. You have your hazard lights there, your glove box, traction control. Let's open up the glove box. Super cool, look at that. Down below here, you have all your AC controls and your heated seats. Super nice, look at that, very nice. And then this is the temperature settings are here, which is super cool. You turn this dial and it changes the temperature, shows it to you here and also on top here, look at that. Same thing for the passenger. You can go ahead and turn the dial and it'll show it to you up on top there. See that? Really cool. That dial looks super cool. Okay, so you have your USBs here, your fan for the AC. You have your front and rear defrost, automatic transmission. It's got transmission modes here. That's snow, sport, and I guess this is comfort. Parking sensors on this one, very nice. You have your automatic transmission. Super nice. Look at the dashboard on this thing. It's brand new. Looks amazing. I know it has 40,000 miles on it, but it's in really nice shape. Up above here, you have your sunglass storage. You have your garage openers here. You have your courtesy lights. The light that tells you if the airbag's on the passenger side when everybody sits there. If not, it's off. OnStar. There's your push button start. I mean, pretty much it has everything. Take a look at the liner. Liner's in beautiful condition. Looks brand new. Very nice. Just like everything else in the car. This one has automatically dim mirror. It has a little sensor there. So it's automatically dimming. Very nice. Look at the dash. Everything looks amazing. Steering wheel's in beautiful shape. Take a close look here. Very nice. It's got those chrome accents on the steering wheel, just like on the dash. Looks really nice. Very sharp. Okay, that's pretty much it. Stay tuned. We're going to go ahead and take it for a test drive in a moment. Be right back. Okay, we're all set. Take it for a little test drive. We already put it in gear here. Perfect. Ready to go. Let's go ahead and take it for a spin. Takes off really quick. Let's check the brakes here. We're getting to a stop sign here. Fantastic. Stops perfect. Drives super nice. Feels super smooth. All right, super nice drive. Really great drive. Okay, well that's pretty much our test drive here. Stay tuned. We're going to show you the backup camera and the parking sensors. Be right back. Okay, we're going to show you the backup camera on this one and the parking sensors. So we're going to put it in reverse, and as you can see there, you can see the camera. Whichever way you turn the steering wheel, it shows where it's going to roll, which is nice. So we're just going to back up so you can see how the parking sensors work. So as you get closer to something there, you'll have a little screen come out here on the cluster, and the more you back up, the more it'll beep. There you go. So that lets you know you're going to hit something. Really nice. Look at that. Okay, that's pretty much the backup sensors and the backup camera. Perfect. Okay, we're going to go ahead and test out the rear hatch. Here's a remote. Press the button twice. Opens up, automatic. Really nice. Let's take a look at the storage area in here. It looks good. Very nice condition. Super, super clean. Let's take a look beneath here. Spare tire and jack, all the tools. Very nice. Okay, this one has those seats that fold forward there. You pull this latch, that one falls forward. You pull this latch, the other one falls forward. So let's go ahead and give it a try. There you go, 1 and 2. Fantastic, look at that. Let's go ahead and close the door now. You could do it with the button, or you could do it with the button on the door. Works perfect. Fantastic. Okay, let's take a look at the engine compartment. Engine compartment is clean and in beautiful condition. Very nice. Really great shape. Beautiful condition throughout. Looks super, super clean. Brand new. Very nice. Okay, let's take a look at the front tire. Tire's in great shape. Looks brand new. Rim is clean and in outstanding shape. Look at that. Very nice condition. All right, we'll take a look at the rear tire. On the driver's side, tire's in amazing condition. Looks brand new. Rim is clean and in beautiful shape. Very nice condition. Okay, take a look at the rear tire. On the passenger side, tire's brand new. Looks amazing. Rim is clean and in beautiful shape. Look at that. Very nice. Okay, we're taking a look at the front tire. On the passenger side, tire looks brand new. Rim is clean and in outstanding shape. Very nice condition. Okay, well that's going to conclude our video for this 2020 Chevy Blazer V6 LT package. If you have any questions, please feel free to call 786-431-9046 or visit our website, greatusedautosales.com.